Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm very excited to be bringing to you the DJI Mic Mini, as you can see just here. Now, I've actually set up the mic at the moment. It's on my shirt, so you can hear me talking right now. Now, we're actually going to go and set this up. So I'm going to go take this off in a minute and show you what it sounds like without it connected to the camera. Currently set up on my camera, as you can see just here in my phone, it's recording it. And you can see how the shoe is mounted onto the camera, which is plugged in, which feeds directly into this. So we're gonna go through an unboxing, how to set it up, how it works. But as you can see right here, the sound is fantastic. So let's jump into it and start with the unboxing. Okay guys, today I want to do an unboxing of DJI Mini mic. As you can see, it's just here. Now, we want to upgrade our mic system, so we thought we'd get this, and there's a bit more information about it there as well. So you can use this on iPhone, camera, Android phones, whatever you need. So again, we're opening this up live at the same time. You guys are seeing it in real time. Let's take off the plastic and have a look. Now, these are currently on sale for Amazon sales too at the moment. So the great thing about this is it's small and ultra lightweight. So it weighs only 10 grams, make it comfortable and wear discreetly. And because I do a lot of filming, it's very important I have something that's very, very light. You don't want it showing up on your clothes all the time when you're filming. So here it is there. Now there's a lovely little pouch as well, which is great if you want to carry it around and use it out and about. So we take a look, and it already feels so light, hey? So there's the windshield to start with. Let's have a look what else we've got here. You've got the cable there to plug in. We'll find out what that does in a minute. Let's have a look here. And here is the actual case itself with the microphones. So let's undo this. So there is a mini mic case for DJI. So press that and it opens up. So here are the mics just here, absolutely tiny, light as a feather. You've got the transmitter as well. This is what sits with your phone or your camera. And you've got the other one here as well. So you can use these two-way calls, conversations, etc., which is really good. So let's go have a look at these in a bit more detail. So the case itself offers 48 hours battery life. So ideal for long trips, interviews, etc. And we've got the actual transmitter here. So this will sit on your shirt when you're using it, so you can clip it in. It also uses magnets too, I believe. Yeah, there you are. So there's a magnet on it. You can clip it. So you've got the microphone just there, which is nice. Now these have two noise cancellation levels into them. So you've got basic, which is good for indoor mode, or if you've got a noisy, you've got strong as well. You've got the transmitter here as well. So this is what sits on, for example, when we do the review, we're going to show this sits on the camera. And you get the cable here, and this then sets on your, you can plug this into your camera, and this is what you use to charge it. So you basically plug this in here, and plug it into your camera as well, and then pair it with your adapter as well. So there you go. So the first thing about this is how easy it is to set up. Now, you've got the box just here, you've got all the attachments in there, so that's where the horseshoe mount fits, the adapter for the iPhone, the second one if you want to do a meeting. You've also got the pouch there too, which has the cables and other things in there too, which is really handy. Just make sure you don't lose any attachments like I do sometimes. The one I've got on the moment, it's got a magnet on it, which you can use. So you can put on your shirt like I've done, or you can use the clip. So you get the clip and you just literally just go, I find clips difficult with polo shirts, but this will give you an idea. So you can sit it just there like that. See, so it's clipped onto my shirt. Now you can use two mics as well if you want to do calls, conversations. We won't do that at the moment. And you've got the adapter there for the iPhone. Now, the adapter works, or Android phone of course, but I'm using an iPhone. Now, what I love about this is other mics I've used, it hasn't worked very well with the phone. You're gonna see how well this works in a minute. So I'm gonna pop that back in there for now. Now let's disconnect the audio. So you can see I've got it set up at the moment. So what we do if we unplug it, I'll show you guys what it comes with. So there's just the normal sound. If you can see the difference. Now the actual mic itself, so you plug it in using the cable, connect it into there, then connect it into your phone just there, and you can horseshoe it on the top. Now, turn it off and on, pressing that button. And that's also if you're gonna use a DJI app as well. There's an app which we'll go through later to show you. But what I like about this is how easy it is to set up. You literally just put it on the top there, then you clip it in. And just like that, it starts working. As you can see just here, that's how easy it was to set up. No worrying about pairing, setting up, that's how quick it is. The mic's turned to the red, which is the mid-range. I'd also suggest putting lower volume on your camera, just in case it starts to distort, etc. Now, okay guys, now I'm talking on the camera mic as well. Again, you can see the complete difference in the sound quality. But now what I want to do is actually set it up on my iPhone, so you can see exactly how it sounds on there. Now, here's my phone here. Now, other mics I've used, you've had to use like Rode and stuff, you had to use multiple attachments. With the iPhone, you don't actually have to, which is great. So you take the little attachment, which is just there, you plug it into your phone, like this. You then take the horseshoe, you don't worry about the cable. You put that on top, just like that. So you take the horseshoe one, which we showed earlier, open it up just there like that. Make sure you keep the attachments, don't lose them. Pop it on the top, like that, so it connects. So put that in just like that, stick it in, like that, nice and easy. Then get your phone and actually attach it to your phone, just like that. That's how easy it is. It's got a 400 meter max range. Bluetooth as well, you can connect via TX to a smartphone via Bluetooth without an RX. And with a quick 5 minutes in the case, you can get 1 hour of use as well, which is great. So put these back in here, and it's so easy to put in. You just do that, like that, and just like that. Forgot to add as well, guys, you've actually got the adapter here as well. If you want to use it with your iPhone, you can plug that in and then plug that in there so you can start using it there as well, which is great. You can put the noise cancelling on by holding the buttons there as well. And you've also got the transmitter here as well, which you can do the different features. So it tells you if it's connected to the mics, and this also, you can increase the microphone, increase it down as well, and turn it off and on there. So DJI Mic Mini is not available for your normal phones. It's only available for certain tripods and stuff that they use. But as you can see, the sound is incredible. The mic's great. So I'm going to be using this a lot. There's also a windshield if you use it outside, which I do a lot of filming. But a microphone that's versatile, sounds great. You can use it on the iPhone, your camera. It's absolutely fantastic, guys. So there's links below for you to purchase. Let us know if you like this. We'll be using this for future filmings as well. We look forward to your thoughts. Thanks for joining us here at the channel. And make sure you enter the giveaways, like, subscribe, and thanks for your support.